from Victorian villas to tower blocks to these.
You get a lot of house and garden for the guide price of £130,000 to £140,000.
£18,000.
£500,000.
What's the catch?
I'm excited.
Now, you never know quite what to expect when you come into these kind of places.
It's a bit of a rabbit warren, so I'm going to have a look.
Oh no, look at this.
This would need changing.
That's an interesting design style. Building site look.
Oh dear, that's disappointing.
That's not the end of the sad news, but
I've got to have a look. Intrigue's killing me now. Don't get too close on the backside, it's got bigger over the years.
How odd is that? What is going on with this place?
no, I'm not going to let that put me off.
Wow.
I love this! Your very own balcony in London.
I'm going now.
This lot is looking profitable indeed. All I need now is a cocktail. Cute.
As soon as I saw this place, I liked it. Let's see who agreed with me when he went under the hammer.
Let's go, baby.
Lots of potential. All we need now is a new buyer.
Who's going to buy it?
You bought it, so well done.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Tell me why you wanted to buy this little place.
Bricks and mortar, inspired by Homes Under the Hammer, of course.
A funny story, you know.
I was interviewing famous people, and then there was an auction up the road, so I thought, I could just pop in.
That story's not that funny.
Well, that's funny for us. So what are you going to do?
It needs to go, really, doesn't it?
It's a shame to say yes, but yes.
The rest of it should be taken down and rebuilt, including the roof and the windows and the plumbing and the electrics.
Apart from that, it's perfect.
Hang on a second, Lucy. Oh, I've just got to stretch my leg.
What sort of budget have you got for the work here?
£1,000.
1,000? Yeah.
A couple of grand.
Well, it's going to be dramatically different when we return.
I hope so.
16 weeks, 150 grand. Everybody's waiting to come in. Good luck, pal. I know it's going to be a success.
Time has passed. Do they reap their rewards?
It's a lovely, bright and airy room.
I think for me, the best part is the kitchen.
It is just lovely, and it really is quite stunning.
40 to 45,000.
£300,000 to £310,000. Put it on the market for £1 million.
Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned pro, now could be the right time to buy your home under the hammer.